Hi, Tim Unkert here. In this video, we're going to install Shotcut on an ARM-based Chromebook. So the first thing you want to do is go over here to your launcher, and you can search for settings, or if you just see it like I do, you'll click on settings. Next thing we'll do is go down to About Chrome OS. I can show you, if I look at diagnostics here, that I have a MediaTek Campanillo 500 MT8183 CPU, which is an ARM-based CPU. Okay, so if I keep in this About Chrome OS tab, I see I have the Linux Development Environment version. I'm going to click Setup. A setup wizard is going to appear. I'll click Next, and then it gives me a username, which I believe is based off of my email. I would change that now if you want to change that. Also, a recommended disk size. You can change that later, or if you want to change it now, you just go to Custom and move the slider around. I'm going to stick with Recommended and click Install. That's going to take a few minutes to install, so I'll come on back once that's done. Once that runs through, a terminal will pop up. That means Linux is installed. We now want to make sure everything's up to date. I'm going to expand the terminal and make the font a little bit larger so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to type sudo apt-get update, then 2 ampersands sudo apt-get dist -upgrade, and I'll do a -y flag to enter yes to any additional space. I'll let that run through and come on back once that's done. Okay, once that's run through, we can clear everything out, and then we can type in sudo apt-get install Shotcut and hit enter. Okay, that's going to ask us to take some additional space. At the time of this recording, it's 473 megabytes. I'm going to say yes and hit enter and let that run through. Okay, that's run through. Now if we go down to our Linux apps here in the launcher, we can see we have the Shotcut icon. I'm going to right click, and it's actually, I had it pinned to the shelf, so normally you could right click and pin it to the shelf. So you see there it is. Let's close out the terminal here. Let me take a video that I have here, and I'm going to move it into my Linux files here. Okay, so we've moved that in. And now if I open this up, there we go, we've got Shotcut open. Okay, so I can now bring in that file. I'm going to have to go to my Linux files. So I select the file, let's click open.
All right, this morning we're making another Infinity Do Now.
Click plus.
All right, this morning we're making another Infinity Do.
And there we go. It's bringing in the file and populating it. Sometimes you get a little bit of variation like this, but now I can begin working on the file. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.